Hello team, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the GOS Workload Manager, or we called as a WLM. Workload Manager is a component of the GOS system that monitor the Sysplex, and it's determine how much resource should be given to each item of the workload in the Sysplex. We have some traditional and historical workloads here. That's our STC, JES, TSO, IMS, KICS, and DB2 and all. All has been extended by the variety of products or the subsystem in the WLM technology over the lifespan of OS 390 and now GOS. Furthermore, additional hardware features are extended the performance management platform. WLM needs to evaluate which system provides the needed resource for a given task to decide where it can be served best. Therefore, WLM needs the status information for all the workload running on the system. Our next topic is Sysplex Basic plus WLM Single System. Initially, to prepare your GOS system for a WLM goal mode, you have to create a minimum of single system Sysplex, or we called as the mono Sysplex. In order to use the WLM functionality to performance management and performance administration, you need WLM coupled dataset. These types of coupled dataset can be defined dynamically to the system without IPL. A single system Sysplex using WLM functionality consists of these three things. First one is one GOS operating system. Second is primary and secondary Sysplex coupled dataset. And third one is primary secondary WLM coupled dataset. Now we need to understand what is Sysplex coupled dataset. Sysplex coupled datasets are the central point of heartbeat, checking of all the systems in the Sysplex. These types of coupled dataset cannot be defined dynamically to a system. In order to get the minimal prerequisite active and IPL of your system is required. The GOS system has the component of XCF and WLM. Both are automatically started as the system address space at the IPL. Our next topic is parallel Sysplex plus WLM. We understand in this diagram, when the communication with more than one system requires the additional hardware to establish the communication link. For that, we need to understand what is channel to channel. FCTC, and it's a connection can use to create a single path between all the system in a Sysplex, and also this allows all component using XCF component protocol to exchange the information Sysplex wide. WLM uses XCF to communicate between all WLM address space in all the systems. That means also this allow a Sysplex view for all workload in the Sysplex, and this become very important if further Sysplex functions such as data sharing, workload balancing, transaction routing comes. Next is STP link. What is STP? STP stands for Server Time Protocol. This is the central instance for a common clock is the default setup in multi-system Sysplex, and STP is the architecture is what uh, is used in the GOS system services. So our next topic is Sysplex mode. So sys1 palmlib member is ISSXX. Below here all the palmlib member are listed, and all members play a major role when using a Sysplex. So let's discuss one by one. So first one is couple. So it defines all used couple dataset at system IPL. Next is clock. So clock define the time source like Sysplex timer, TOD clock. Next is CRS CNF is 00, and here one thing is GRS. So GRS is specifies whether multi-system goal resource serialized functions are to be used or not, and it's provide the configuration setting resource name listed to all GRS how to handle the serialized way and all. Next is Plex CFG, and last one is sysname. So sysname identify the GOS image by this name, and Sysplex name is typically given in a load XX member to identify the system in a Sysplex, and need to be specified when formatting couple data sets. Now we understand Plex CFG is equal to any. So Plex CFG may be it has the multi-system. That means it specifies that the system is to be part of Sysplex consisting of one or more MVS system that reside on one or more processor. The same Sysplex coupled dataset must be used by all the system. You must specify couple XX member that identify the same Sysplex couple dataset for all the system in the Sysplex. Now we try to understand XCF LOCAL. So this is the single system, no couple dataset, no WLM. That means it specifies that the system is to be a single standalone MVS system that is not a member of a Sysplex, and cannot use couple dataset. The couple XX member cannot specify a Sysplex couple dataset, and other coupled empty dataset cannot be used. At that time, we are using XCF local mode. So XCF does not provide singling service between MVS system. Next one is monoplex. So in short, we understand like it's a single system. It is a coupled data set in a WLM. That means it specifies that system is to be a single system Sysplex that must be use a Sysplex coupled data set. Additional coupled data sets such as those that contains the policy information can be used as XCF coupling service, and it's provide the multiple application we can use. Also you can specify like couple XX member. Use monoplex, that means when you want only one system in the Sysplex. For example, to test multi-system application on one system, you can use. Next is multi-system. That means it's a multiple system, coupled data set and in a WLM. Last one is any, and any specifies that the system can be a part of any valid system configuration, or specifying any is a logically equivalent to specifying XCF, local, or we called as monoplex or multi-system. Any is the default. Thank you all for your support. Thanks a lot. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want any specific topic, please comment in a comment box. Thank you again. Bye.